Hey guys, today's video is about biodiversity. It means having variety in existing living being. It, it is essential having variety in species. Having variety in species, variety in flora and fauna helps nature. It is difficult to run nature law if it lacks variety in living being, having face many issues like imbalance in nature. Having many species in some have its benefits. Nature in various phases, it has roles which varies in living being. Nature is blessing and it is challenging. Nature has its way in his sight. While we face nature, it feels harsh and cruel. Yes, it is harsh and it realizes many in specific and middle phase in life. And every living has to face it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.